You've started a budget, maybe 10 times, and it always dies the same way by week 3. That's not because you lack discipline. It's because traditional budgets are designed to fail. We've seen lifestyle creep quietly eat raises. The usual fix, make a budget, almost never sticks. Not because you're bad with money, but because the method fights human nature instead of using it. A typical budget asks you to track every dollar, resist every temptation, and rely on willpower all month long. Willpower is a battery. It drains. One hard day, one surprise expense, and the whole spreadsheet collapses. You blame yourself, quit, and repeat. The flaw isn't you. It's a system built on the one resource humans run out of fastest. Flip it. Instead of restricting what's left, decide where money goes the moment it arrives, automatically, before you can touch it. Pay yourself first. The second income lands, a slice auto moves to savings and investments. Then a simple split covers needs and guilt-free wants. You're not budgeting with willpower anymore. You're removing willpower from the equation. So bury the myth that you just need more discipline or the perfect app. Discipline you have to summon every day will always lose to a system that runs without you. Myth busted. The goal isn't to track harder, it's to make the right move the automatic one. 3 steps. 1. Automate the important stuff first, savings and investing on payday before spending, so the snowball from episode 1 starts no matter what. 2. Use simple buckets, not 40-line items, needs, wants, future. 3. Spend the wants bucket freely and guilt-free, because the math already worked while you weren't looking. Set it once, let it run. So bury it. Budgets fail because they lean on willpower. Systems win because they don't. Automate the priorities, keep the buckets simple, and let the structure, not your daily resolve, do the work. If that frees you from the budgeting guilt loop, subscribe. Cashflow clarity busts one money myth every week. No hype, no jargon. Next, how banks quietly make money off you and how to flip it. See you there.